Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a natural hair tutorial for y'all. I'll be doing these colorful braids, guys. This video is like a month old, but I never got around to editing it. So here we are. I washed my hair and I had it in like some twist just to like stretch it. I didn't use any heat this time. So guys, I'm just like parting my hair in sections. I thought this idea would have been like really cool, like jumbo braids would be like really jumbo braids would be really cute. I think I have maybe like 7 braids on my head if I remember correctly. I think I have 7 braids. I've seen like something like this before on the internet, but it was like with like natural color hair. So I decided that I wanted to do a colorful look. Like I was channeling my inner, like, you know, my inner colorful hair don't care vibe. Yeah, these braids were kind of inspired by like Tekashi and his braids that he's always wearing. So guys, I'm literally just like using the Shine and Jam by Magic Fingers, and I'm just combing that in and making the sections. Because these are really big sections, guys, it might be a little bit more like work to get it done because you have to make sure that the base is pretty smooth. It's not like it's really tiny braids, they're really big. So to get the base like smooth is key. I did the rubber band method because I needed a smooth base. Even if the braids were not like that neat, at least from the root it would look like way neater because I did the rubber band method. And yeah, I just went in with that and I did all of my sectioning. I got this braiding here from my local beauty supply store. It's Bobby Boss as well as this brand called Yaki Hollywood. I got pink, I got blue, I got purple, orange, and I don't know if I'm missing anything, but if I am, yeah. I got all these colors, and at first, guys, it was really difficult because colored hair, well, colored braiding hair tangles a lot. Like, this braiding hair was the worst in terms of tangling. Like, I had so much trouble doing this hair. I feel like if I had done, like, a natural color, it would have been way faster and the braiding hair would not be like tangly. This hair was so tangly, and I feel like it's because of the color and the processing. And guys, because my hair is like really thick, that kind of gave me a little bit of trouble to kind of get it like tucked in. I literally just take the braiding hair, like each pack I separated it into 2, so each pack gave me 2 braids. And guys, for the braiding hair for the braid at the back, I started like adding another color when I was like halfway into the braid. So for each braid, I tried to add like more color to the end so it would, like, you know, make a nice little blend going down. Because 6ix9ine with his colored braids, it starts off like with like a color or 2, and then when it gets like halfway there's like another color. So I really wanted to put as much color in as I could. So this one had orange, and then I added green and yellow to the end. But guys, I tried to get like the same sizing for each braid. So for each packet, I split that into half, and that's what I used to be my measurement to make sure like the braids were somewhat like even in terms of sizing. And guys, yeah, those are the first 2 braids. Let me tell you, I had trouble doing this hair because the hair was just like really knotty. I don't know how to explain. It was like really knotty. It got knotted up like really fast, and because of the size. But yeah, guys, you see I just separated the hair into 2, and then I'm going to separate the other I separated the braiding hair into 2. Oh yeah, and then I started doing this other method where I added a rubber band to the middle of the braid and then I attached it to my hair. I found that this was easier for me to grip the hair as well as covering like my own hair. The first hair hold on. So yeah, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to explain as best as possible. So I'm just like separating that hair, and I noticed that when I put the hair on top, it covers my natural hair better. And because of like the color, I was trying to conceal my natural hair as much as possible so it wasn't like sticking out in like places. So I don't know how to do like the tuck method as some hairstylists do. I'm not a professional. I just wanted colorful braids. So I'm just going in and I was trying to like put my hair, like tuck it underneath as much as possible so less of the black hair was showing in through the color. For the purple braid, it wasn't bad because purple is close to black somewhat, so it was concealed better. But guys, I had trouble at the back with the orange because the orange is so bright and then my hair is so dark. But yeah guys, just try and like get your braid as neat as possible and just try and like tuck your natural hair in as much as possible. And then for the purple, I went in and I added like a piece of the blue braiding here, so I mixed the purple with the blue just to get like the colorful hair thing down all the way through like the hairstyle. Yeah guys, so my hair is in 7 parts, and I had 5 or 6 packs of braiding here. I don't remember. I'll list that down below. But yeah, you can choose like whatever color you want and you can make your own color combination. And attaching like the rubber band onto the braid and then attaching the braid to your hair was easier for me guys versus like plaiting the hair directly onto my hair. This way was way easier. You can do whatever works for you, but that's what I did. So I put the rubber band in the middle of the braiding here. I attached the rubber band onto my hair, and the braiding here would be over top my hair. And then I detangle my hair, put it into 3 sections, and then I flip the hair over and then I start my braid. I find that this is way easier. This allowed me to grip the hair better, and it looked better. It looked better than the braids that I did at the back. But because it gave me so much trouble guys, I was not about to like take the back ones out. So yeah, I applied this method throughout the rest of the braiding process. So the one at the top is neon green, and this hair is already mixed with a color. It has yellow at the end, so the top one is green and yellow, and then the back is orange and green, and then the braid at the side is purple mixed with blue. So I really was just trying to place the colors all over. I had no specific way that I wanted to do my hair. I just know that I wanted colorful braids and I wanted it to channel like Tekashi's like colorful braids. That's about it. So I just mixed the colors as I went along, and whatever I thought looked good, that's what I did guys. This braid took me a few hours, like a lot of hours, because I kept taking it down, and then it was in the nighttime and I was getting really tired and I was just so annoyed. So before you do this style, if you're intent on doing it, be sure to like have your color scheme down, pick your hair out, like the color that you want to do, and then have it in mind, because I didn't have a color scheme that I was working with. I didn't have like it all laid out. I just started braiding my hair and I knew I wanted colorful braids. So yeah, for this one I'm using the blue braiding hair, and the blue braiding hair has a darker blue and also has a lighter blue. And guys, I'm using the Magic Fingers Shine and Jam to like help me with the braiding as well as to tuck my hair in. And yeah, this one I think is just blue with the blue. And then guys, the middle braid that's at the back, well towards the back, because I have 2 orange braids at the back, and then the other section guys, that braid in the back, I hope you get what I'm saying. Yo, this voiceover sounds crazy because it's kind of hard to explain, but I hope y'all get what I'm saying. I'm really sorry. But the braid in the back, I didn't know what color to put, so what I did, I just combined like whatever hair I had left over. So I combined every single color that I used, and then I basically got like a rainbow braid in the middle part at the back, and I think that turned out pretty cute. So for the top braiding, I have this really neon pink color. It doesn't even show the right color on camera, but it's like neon pink, and that hair gave me problems. I feel like all the Bobbi Boss colored braiding here was just very tangly. I don't know if it's because of all the processing that it goes through, but it's very tangly and hard to work with. Maybe if I was doing like smaller braids and using like less hair at a time, it would have been easier. But yeah, anyways guys, this hairstyle was really cute and really fun. I loved the outcome when it was finally finished. I really liked it. It was like really cute, and it was like Definitely channeling like colorful hair, don't care. Yeah, if you like this video, guys, like if thus far you're liking this video, like please leave me a thumbs up like down below. And you can help my channel out by subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And leave me a comment down in the description bar, like what's like the boldest color you've ever done, and would you wear this hairstyle? Because I felt like this was like super cute and fun, and I enjoyed it. Okay guys, so you see that's my rainbow braid. When I turned just now, you saw my rainbow braid. But yeah, I finished the color at the front and I added some purple, and that's the braiding portion of it. I'm going in with a scissors, guys, and I'm just like clipping all the excess hair just so we can have it looking as neat as possible. These are really jumbo braids, so you gotta like, you know, try to get it as neat as possible, especially if you're not a professional. Like these little things will help it have a more neat, more finished look. And yeah, after trimming up everything, guys, I'm going to make the ends curly. I really wanted curly ends, so I went in with some rods, some perm rods, I think that's what they're called, or cold wave rods or something like that. But yeah, I went in with those, and I just added them to all 7 sections, all 7 braids. And yeah, I'm going to put those in hot water. I didn't hot water it on camera because I was just like super tired and over it, so I did that like off camera. But for the remainder of the hair, I'm gonna go in with some hair mousse, and the hair mousse just neatens everything. It gets all the frizz, all the flyaways. So I really just like went in and I bathed the braids in mousse like I really did, because it would help with all the frizzing, all the flyaways, and make the hairstyle appear like way neater and more like finished. And then of course I have to go in with some edge control, and I went in with Style Factor's Edge Booster. Y'all know that that's my jam. So I went in with that and I made my edges. And guys, yeah, after the hot water, this is what the ends look like. The curls are really cute, and I just went in and I clipped that up. So all the like straggly ends, I got rid of those. And then yeah, I went in with my Style Factor Edge Booster and I made me some baby hair, some edges. I tried to do a little bit like edge work, edge art or whatever, and that really tied everything together, and the look just turned out pretty cute. And then I went back in with some hair mousse. I applied that to like my hair just to like tame everything down. And yeah, that's literally all I did, and that's the completed look, guys. I really hope you like this video. This video was so hard to make. Like, it took so much out of me, and when I was done, I was just like, damn, I did not expect this to be so hard. I swear the hair was just really tangly. Maybe it's the braiding hair that I got, maybe because it's colored, but I definitely want to do this style again, but like in a 1B, like a natural looking color that matches my hair. Let me know down below, guys, like your thoughts, because I think this hair is like super cute. Like, yeah, it really is pretty cute. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. I know I said that already, but I'm gonna say it again because y'all don't be liking the video, y'all don't be commenting. So leave me a like, leave me a comment, and yeah, I love you guys oh so much. Stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.